Now, you may have heard companies like Bazzaz and Dynojet, but in this week's product spotlight, we're looking at a new electronics company called Rapid Bike. Now, once I started digging into this thing, I realized there's no way I could fit it into just one video, so I'd have to break it up into part one and part two. This is part one, and what we're gonna do is kind of take a brief overview of everything that you see before you, which isn't all of it, but most of what you see in the Rapid Bike line. And then in part two, we're gonna talk about what separates Rapid Bike from the other brands and electronics that are out there today. Now, we're going to start with the Rapid Bike Evo, which gives you total control, fueling operations, and corresponding air-to-fuel ratio. This way, the carburetor valves can be modified throughout the entire engine power delivery curve. This is great for the racetrack and for that ever-changing weather conditions and individual driving styles. For twin-cylinder engines equipped with double lambda sensors, it's possible to develop a specific ignition map as well as an auto-injection remapping set specifically for each cylinder. Now, with the Evo, you're going to be able to add this U-Tune controller for an additional 2 features. One of those features is going to be engine braking management. The other one is going to be RPM control, which is going to allow you to maintain a more consistent cruising speed. There's the Rapid Bike Evo and also the Rapid Bike Racing module. The Racing add-on module represents the highest level technology available for reaching top performance. It offers the widest range of solutions from the track and the street. The Racing unit offers revolutionary technology to manage the crankshaft position sensor signal and is designed to provide additional and innovative features to give you a leg up on the competition. You can manage the ignition map, engine brake, pit lane limiter, traction control, launch control, and more that we're going to cover in part two. Next up is my tuning unit used for real-time injection remapping. You'll want this when you're looking for a specific air-to-fuel ratio target. This unit ties into the injector valves, which are instantly modified to respond immediately to the changing climatic conditions and road styles. Then we have the Rapid Bike's electronic quick shifter. This works on standard and GP shift levers, and you can set it according to RPM and gear positions. Then we have our map switch. You can take advantage of Rapid Bike's full potential and switch between different map settings with this map switch. There's also a pit lane limiter, but this is only available for the Rapid Bike Racing unit. And another thing we have with us today is the wiring kit for the Yamaha R1. Rapid Bike has done a ton of testing with their electronics and the Yamaha R1, and you can see how well this thing is put together. So that's a brief look at a number of these Rapid Bike products. Now again, this is the Evo and this is the Racing, and they're going to run in that 745 to 845 range, somewhere in that. You're going to be able to find more info on these at rapidbike.us, and that's this week's Product Spotlight.